Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jeff, and yeah, just got home on a crazy night, fun night at the Clifton Commons in New York. I just want to take this moment to wish everyone happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day. Hope you guys are having a great time. I had a great time. I went down to Clifton Commons. It's basically a park. I went down there with a couple buds. Well, I went with my friend. I went down with one of my buds, and we watched the fireworks. And yeah, here's the fireworks. Hope you enjoy this video. So yeah, some of the videos you hear me talk with my friends, so just ignore that. Just enjoy the fireworks. So once again, hope you guys having a great 4th of July. Here's some fireworks, just to special video just for you guys. Fireworks, everything. Here they are. Look at all the shit we've been eating. I'm putting this on YouTube, by the way.
Fuck you.
insects.
Huh?
I got the insect bite me, mosquitoes. Whatever. I'm gonna actually upload these videos to my computer because I got a really good video edit thing on my computer now. So
Yeah, me.
yeah, you're gonna put it on YouTube? Probably not.
Yeah, I got the software.
Oh yeah, by the way, you should record like this because you get a lot of more details. Vertical is like, yeah.
It still gets it done. Maybe,
I definitely need like the last part. Can you record the last part?
if it's under 3 minutes, I could send it to you.
Yeah. Make it like 1 minute.
This one's going on 3 minutes.
No, wait, send me that. You can actually, you know how like you can send people and send too short? But don't trim it, you can actually send it and still send the whole video. So send me that and then send me a couple more like towards the end. Like this one, like you know at the end it goes like unstuck.
Yeah.
Just send me that one too. I already have like 5-6 videos on my phone. Let's see if I can get my phone back home. I have a rechargeable. Just brought it. Send me a couple more like towards the end. Like this one, like you know at the end it goes like unstuck.
Yeah.
Just send me that one too. I already have like 5-6 videos on my phone. Let's see if I can get my phone back home. I have a rechargeable. Just brought it.